Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, my name is Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu na Oraifite Afanjichi ọzọ. I'm an ancient high priest. Ezigbo afọ m bụ Chukwu nọnyere m enwe na m. Yes, abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Ụbọchị no ga one case isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ what you should know about widows, Ajadu n'onu Igbo. Mgbe na-achọ ka m kọwalụ gị gịnị bụ Ajadu. Ajadu bụ widows, those women, married women that lost their husband. Yes. And well, many attributes of real widow. Yes, and well, real widows. Yes. When they go na the hand, man, actually, in actual sense, they're not widow. Hello. Widows, especially those married women that have married for a very long time. Probably they have children for their late husband. In fact, they are no longer young, of which they are no longer attractable to maybe friends of their late husbands. Those are real widows. Yes, I'm not talking about those young people, maybe early 30s, 40s, even 20s, that they actually their wish is for the man to pass on. Yes, and well, some of those words I'm not talking about immediately their husband passed on. In fact, by the time you finish their burial, they have already hooked up with another man. In fact, when their husband is still alive, they are dating, sitting on their late husband. So immediately when the man passed on, they are not even missing the man. I'm not talking about those ones. I'm talking about real widows. That the whole shoulder heavy burden of raising the children of their deceased husbands. That haven't died in Kumakia. So before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are still in the month of April. Our monthly ritual is still ongoing. You can still join us anywhere you are all over the world. This morning I have gone to the temple to pray, make declarations, perform rituals for those that join us all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group. We keep doing this till the last day of the month. The last day of the month, we perform sacrifices in the temple for all of them. Yes. We started this group rituals over 4 years now. Believe in me, we have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Ezeana TV. You know why? It's not necessary, it's not why we are here. But I can tell you that we are. So upon the church at this monthly ritual, what you have to do is this. Chat me on WhatsApp. Make token donation to the account number. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. In our screen, Igafia. Now, on what you just in for canceling and whatever, chat me on WhatsApp. Now let's proceed. Like I said before, the topic of today is what you should know about Ajadu, widows. And I'm here to tell you that I am marrying a widow warfare. A real Ajadu, a real widow. Any sin you committed against a widow, you will collect. The natural forces will fight her battle. I'm talking about real widows. I'm not talking about those ones that are wishing their late husband dead. I'm not talking about those ones. I'm not talking about those ones that have not felt the pain of losing their better half. No. I'm talking about real widows that are really, if you see them when they lose their late husband, they will machete. They're always crying. na body has only king as I only mazia. Sincerely speaking, that suffering. Kerebog is below. Onwere onye ọbụla help ọ na-ene anya from anywhere. Achọrọ m ka ngwa gị gbasara our new website, Eziokwu TV website and Eziokwu TV app. Our website domain name is www.eziokwutv.org. O-R-G. Then more we get na Google Play Store, download Eziokwu TV app. With these downloads or login to website, you can view Eziokwu TV on the go anywhere you are all over the world. Now that website or app, again we can watch your Eziokwu TV live as it's showing on Eziokwu TV television. You'll be able to watch it the same way on your phone or television or whatever you used to log in. And if you have a website or app where we can watch our Nollywood movies there. We can watch all my teachings there on the website and on the app. Thank you. If you know the burden of raising children alone, they are doing it crying. I'm talking about those ones. I'm talking about those ones that can tell you that since their late husband passed on for years, that no man have ever touched them. Not as if that they are not beautiful. Not as if that men are not coming. No, but they choose that path. Remember, those ones that are coming after the demise of their late husband, most of them are not coming genuinely, sincerely, that they really want to help the families of their late friend. No, most of them are coming because of their selfish interest. I know some people, some of them, that maybe their husband is wealthy. Immediately after the burial of their late husband, you see those gold diggers coming. I will tell you a story when I was in Abuja. There is this particular man from Nimo. Yes. So the man runs a very big, biggest supermarket within our area. It's like a warehouse. Very big. So when the man was already building a mansion in his village, Nimo, before he passed on. Immediately he passed on, this the wife brought in a very young boy that is even many years senior. Yes, he brought in that small boy. Believe me, to cut the story short, within 2 years, the whole shop became empty. Because those boys are not even coming to genuinely, sincerely, that they really feel your heart broken and everything. Their own is to squandermania. Yes. So what I'm telling you in essence is that, to cut the whole story short, the shop went empty as we speak. The building project going on in the village. Then even her late husband brothers came, in some families, but Nadia, let husband father said no. Leave everything for the woman. And the late husband brothers was like saying, this woman they knew will not be able to manage this very well. The man, their father, may see maintain, allow her. After 2 years, everything is a shambles. That is why some people will tell you that their late husband, that their brother passed on, the family will move in to start dragging the man property with the woman. Me, personally, I'm against that. I'm against that. I believe that any woman that got married to the man, that took good care of the man, should be allowed to raise the children and handle everything. Nobody should drag the man's property with her. That is my stand. And if I become the oldest man in my village, I will go to Eze-Ana and enact it as a law. Yes, nobody should take those things. But a responsible woman knows what to do. You have to bring relatives of your late husband closer so that they will help you to raise those children, because they are like their fathers too. But sometimes some of them, because of their selfishness, they want to be everything. Then they don't want anybody, they don't want to have a supervisor, because your late husband, people are supposed to be like a supervisor, looking up at what is happening and guide the children and you. Or some will like to each one job also. Go away beyond no maseria. I didn't make my code in down. But the end check while again. Follow my man, actually they are missing their late husband. They love because they love their husband genuinely. Those ones, never you for any reason go and be dragging their land. And I give you. It's a what I keep a woman very easy. Auto family can on a woman your lota. The tears of a genuine widow will haunt that family. So, upon our families and our family now, one very easy, the other actually the afro. If you don't go one yaga. Maki no when he hear that one akawan, he won't do another. The woman said no. And now he begin to fabricate stories. He begin to accuse her that she's the one behind her, let her husband know. Stop it. Yeah, we allegation in the but that one, yeah, only share the tears will hurt you for life. No family should prosecute any woman that lost her husband. Yes. Obugoro na nwunye nwanne gị abụrụ ezigbo mmadụ na ụnụ mana ọ na-agba n'ilo na ndụ ya adụrụ mma na ọ ga-akpọwata ndị enyi ya ka askwa ndị everything. Let her be. Ihe ọ bụ na o metalụ ọ ga-atakwa afụfụ ya. And a bit dear get ensure that not an affair sooner or later. But is a taboo. If making the one very JD, take it from me. Is a taboo if prosecute one very JD? Yes. About the one young one will dear. More no me dear. More than another water disgrace. And the chalk was one dying in the dear well. Happen here. You know, get made away with the Bessan Beach, Eze-Ana Ben no. Quarry Akoko here, why very JD, name. Cabez Yokun and Berambera about Bueze. Oh, come why very JD Cobo. You look at me, Obo no matter, Median Eze-Ana and Dichi and Yabu, Eze-Ana and Yabu. Happen here. Uneja one second of Topia. More boy allegation. Because of her tears. A sincere widow, Ajadu, Ajadu. Akwia her tears Ogbuefi on an yes, I'm talking about Ajadu. I'm not talking about those ones that even help their enemies to buy their husband. I'm not talking about those ones. Because once they buy their husband, I know one. Her husband is still in the mortuary. I've already started dating. Before you know it, he got pregnant. And it was like, how can she explain this to woman now? She went for her person. Are you getting me? I'm not talking about those ones. Those ones are a disgrace to widows now. So, but Odiana, so, but if Odiana one negaria hanya, Odinda yourself and buy a dear when you go liberegon. If you are there, those young, what if you are clubbing? I'm not talking about those ones. Those ones are disgrace to widows. So what am I saying in essence is this. However, also go there no away a disgrace to widows. Let her be. Let the land and the chair of that family, let the spirit of her late husband judge her. Never you drive her forcefully. Some family they very bad. That's on one they claim was another dear than a ke we na one ya maka na enwere ihe apụrụ ọ ga-eji wee zụọ ụmụasị in as much as na enwere bad women ndị nyekwuziri aka wee eliminate their husband directly or indirectly maka na mgbe ị na-agba n'ilo Well, I can pit up when they sleep digging, you are poisoning the man gradually. Here the man they about Johnny. Okay, Nyaka eliminated the man so fast. Kabofu. So why do you want anybody don't just mallow that you are digging their husband's grave gradually? If for any reason you are no longer interested in that marriage, demand there for separation. When we hear each other separation, not divorce, demand there for separation. This is scenario ni no wrong. I want to have on way or the second wife. When one man be na my inbox the other day was crying. Now for years now, or they didn't know yes. Then I won't another go on hand on you know. See, and he have bros marriage, and he have roommates. How can be no phone or but what does he? So other like that, the man is permitted to maybe get assistance or marry another woman. So but then I check one year what dear one there were one at the family bed here, they see where second Busiaga Monducio over the property issue. No. Let's have be. Marona Ayam Ajadu, Bofia. However, Obuzen and one young Watira can Hebrew 1 year, 1 noon worker. Directly or indirectly, young woman in a go be a muddy body. More for them wine energy Jago. Without knowing that Jawa gave Boomerang and caused the death of her husband, Onwell. However, Omegono, money and get that nature, Nandi Che baby. Magano for the family now was appetite here. He pretend they hide their bone allegation, Gene Ede, Yewan Mero. Man, their primary purpose is to take those property away. Yes, from the woman, it's not good. Happen one young calls home. Ya. Obuni moral support, moral support, guidance. In what he that woman, Neria calls home. Kibra a father figure to let brothers' children go your way. Makanime won't Ajadu Akia the Ocha, or where Belega and Yamri on adequate. Only you can walk a video maybe head and guru. On an hour from pillar to post, they from one dibia to another, one spiritualist or one pastor to another. Not a solution. And the only solution is to pacify, to appease the spirit of that woman. Seek for atonement for her cries. Yes, because no sin will go unpunished. I want the woman analyze here. Man, no, me I can't get you. No appeasement. They won't go to Mwanya Jademe. Very jaddy, or drop on ma. It is one Akania. Makaniti Akania, you will suffer. You are your generation. Obono ne menjo happier. Kajana Baron Akebe. 1 year we came to a one fella. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, Basalo widows and who is real widow? We're going to give real widow. Real widow, I don't want ayo in Ilo. Nyaka bo dear. What is ye dear? Moya bro widow. Nanya mad or widow, man, and more bro widow. I pony and guy and will leave home. When I need to go back and open, I said, Mwa Ajadu. He only cool nonsense. A real one Ajadu, one in our taffo, they back one daily, a dear one out there. Why in there taffo for us home, ya? Eh? Why you do Muyaka? I don't want you to in a gear, Burukezaya, a Yormunjo. Now, Odiade, I brought your watch. At the Bunya, not taffo for only would tear or not in pain. Oh, you not on us or what I demon on your body. Oh, Bob, I am near to Sanana. On no trouble. Uncle Seba, you are the John message. Start on the WhatsApp 08057837672. Let us pray. Equem na Chineke. Equem no di siri mike. Ke Chineke na apoghe. Izimo zonge siluwo ya. Ni no masuri ihe niile. Obi mu siri ike. Na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed, now and forevermore.